Find a relaxed, comfortable position, seated on a chair or on the floor, on a cushion. The spine is long but not rigid. Hands resting wherever they're comfortable. Tongue gently touching the roof of your mouth. Start to notice your body from the inside. And let yourself relax as you ease into the spaciousness of the current breath. Relax the muscles in the face and let the shoulder blades melt down the back. With every exhale, relax any areas of tension or tightness. Just breathe. Soften. And now begin to tune into the breath in your body, feeling the natural flow of your chest lifting and falling with each inhalation and each exhalation. No need to change the pace of the breath. Not long, not short, just natural. And notice where you feel the breath in your body. It might be in your abdomen. It may be in your chest or throat or in your nostrils. See if you can feel the sensations of the breath, one breath at a time. And when one breath ends, the next breath begins. And you notice that pause between each breath. And with every breath, you let go just a little bit more. You let go physically. You let go mentally. Just be okay with where you're at this moment. Now, as you do this, you might notice that your mind might start to wander. You might start to think about other things. And if this happens, this isn't a problem. It's very natural. The brain loves to play thoughts like a broken record, repeating thoughts, conversations, and scenarios from the past, or thinking about situations that could happen in the future. However, both instances are an illusion of the mind, so oftentimes they don't benefit us. They only cause us grief, pain, suffering, and stress. So gently press pause on that broken record by bringing your attention to your breath. And if and when you start thinking about other things, just notice that your mind has wandered. And then gently redirect your attention right back to the breath, with the words repeating in your head. Let it go, relax. Let it go, relax. So we'll stay with this for some time in silence, noticing our breath, from time to time getting lost in thought, and then again returning to our breath. See if you can be really kind to yourself in the process of this loop, where thoughts arise, you recognize them, and then you let them go and come back to the breath. Let it go, relax. Let it go, relax. And once again, bring the sensation back to your body. Deep inhale. Feel the expansion of the rib cage, lift in the chest. Wiggle the fingers and the toes. Feel your body sitting on the surface of the chair. And welcome yourself back to this space. Offer yourself some appreciation for doing this practice today, whatever that means to you. Namaste.